Hello and welcome to DeliveryBizConnect. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to create your directory listing. Now, DeliveryBizConnect is a new module of our flagship CRM, Small Business Dream. So you'll need to go to smallbizdream.com and click the Login button. You'll have been given a username and a password. Enter that, click I'm Not a Robot, and log in. Now, once you're logged into your Small Biz Dream back office, you're going to click Directory Setup. And in here, you're going to enter all the information required to create your directory listing. You'll put in your name, a description of your restaurant or pub. You'll upload your logo. Here, you want to upload a square logo by clicking Upload and then selecting an image. And it will upload that image. You can see we've uploaded the Sundowner Pub logo. You can also put in a YouTube video. So if you do what we did and create a short little intro to your restaurant or pub that shows the video coming in, you want to grab the watch URL up here at the top. Copy that and paste that in here. Select your category as restaurant, and then really important here, you get all your information usually from the internet, from your website. You want to put in your address. You want to make sure that you put this into the Google Maps area so that it finds you properly. So there it is. And now we've got the correct address based on Google Maps. Put in your phone number, and this suppression for your competitors will change. Notice the red circle here. That's a 5-kilometer radius from your destination. This is 2 kilometers. This is 10 kilometers. This is where you suppress your competitors from being seen by your customers in the app. 5 kilometers is usually a pretty good radius. You upload other photos. This is where you click Upload, and you can choose any photo that you want to upload. And it's just as simple as drag and drop or click on the image. So after that, you want to choose the accepted currencies that you take. If you're with a loyalty program, you may accept loyalty credits and save vendor details. Once that's been done, you need to publish your listing. It will be looked at by Small Business Dream's customer service department and accepted within 24 hours, and it will be live in the DeliveryBizConnect app.